Hey, stop scrolling. Are you bored of your starter locks and are you looking for ways to spice it up a little bit? Well, let me show you how I did this Bantu knots on my MICROLOCS in 3 easy steps, okay?
If you got locks, I'm gonna follow you. And you better follow me back because we gang for real. Like, we gotta stick together in this lock community. If you got locks, I'm going to follow you.
So step one for me is going to be to keep my hair hydrated because starter locks would always shrink. And if I don't hydrate my hair, it will become difficult for me to manage. So hydration. So the second thing I did was to section my hair based on the size of Bantu knots that I was going for. To do that, I used a pack of small rubber bands. Now the beauty of Bantu knots is in the symmetry. Like if you get your grid right, if it's neat, if it's identical, if it's symmetrical, everything else can be forgiven. Trust me. Guys, I'm 3 months postpartum and you can possibly tell from how scanty my edges look right now. But I know I'll soon get my groove back, okay? I wanted my Bantu knots to look a little messy, so I intentionally pulled out some strands from each of the sections before going in with the rubber band, so it looks like, it was effortless. I can't lie, I was tempted to just leave it at this point because it was looking so cute, so playful and cute and nice, and yeah. You won't believe I didn't use any back mirror, yet see how tidy and precise my grid looks at the back. And the next step is to wrap. To wrap the knot itself, I do one of two methods. I either just roll each section with my hand, and as I roll, it begins to knot on its own as it gets tighter. And the second method is I take each section and I make it into chunky twists, and when I'm done with the twist, I wrap it around at the root. This one seems a little more secure than the first method, but the final results look exactly the same. So again, I pick up one section, I create 2-strand twist, chunky 2-strand twist. I twist it all the way to the tip, and when I'm done, I begin to wrap it around at the root. And you can't tell if I rolled or I twisted, because at the end of the day, they all look very identical. I find that it's easier to just do the rolling method when my hair is longer, and when the hair is short, I do the twist. So the hair at the back is short, so I do twist for the hair at the back, and I can easily just roll for the hair in front. Okay, that's the end of my short tutorial. I absolutely love this style because it looks different. I can decide to dress it up or dress it down. Just when you get bored of having the same look every day, this is definitely one style that you can try to spice things up. Are you gonna try this? Let me know in the comment section, okay? Bye!